Hi guys, my name is Gracious. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving logarithmic equations. Let's consider this question. 2 log x minus log x minus 2 equals to log 3. For us to solve this question, we must first of all know some of the laws of logarithm. Laws of logarithm. Note that log a base b plus log c base b is equal to log a log a times c, log a times c base b. You maintain the base. You now come here. Applying this law will be log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 is equal to, you maintain the base 2. I take 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. This is the application of this law. And the second rule states that log of a base b minus log of c base b is equal to log of b, you maintain the base b of a divided by c. You take this a divided by c. Applying this law will be log of 4 base 3 minus log of 2 base 3 is equal to log of, you maintain this base 3 and you take 4 divided by 2. Right? This 4 is the 4 divided by 2. When it's a subtraction sign, you divide. When it's a plus sign, you multiply. Alright? Let's apply the next law, which states that log of b log of b base b log of b base b is equal to 1. Note that log of b base b is equal to 1, which is applying, it will be log of 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Note that if the base and this value, if they are equal, it will be equal to 1. Note that. And log of n log a base b is equal to log of a, take this one, let it be the power of a, which is n base b. Right? Since we have applied a few laws of logarithm, let's use this law to solve this question. what what do the question says? 2 log x minus log x minus 2 is equals to 2 log 3. Let's simplify this question. 2 log x is the same like log x raised to the power 2 from this law of logarithm. N log a base b is equals to log e raised to the power n, means this power will be the power of e. This is it here, and you maintain the base. This is the same theory applied here. You take this power, you let it be the power of x. They are of same basis, although the base is not being mentioned. If you see any logarithm like this, just know they are of same basis. Minus log x minus 2 equals to 2 log 3 is same like log 3 raised to the power 2 from this law of logarithm. Now we apply, further simplifying it, we apply this second law. Which states that log of a base b minus log of c base b is equal to log of a divided by c base b. It means you maintain the base, you take a divided by c, which will be this expression can be simplified as log, just know the base here, the base here is same. It is, although it's not being mentioned, log of, put bracket, you put x squared divided by x minus 2 equals to log of 9, since 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. Now you see that the question here is now log of x squared divided by x minus 2 is equal to log 9. Note that if log a is equals to log b, therefore a is equal to b. Let's apply this rule here. This is 9, this 9, this 9. Applying this rule will be log of x squared divided by x minus 2 equals to log of 9. Therefore, x squared divided by x minus 2 is equal to 9. Now see this, now a rational equation. For us to simplify this and solve this rational equation, we multiply throughout by this denominator. We multiply here by x minus 2, here by x minus 2. x minus 2. This one cancel this one. Therefore, x squared will equal to 9 times x. 9x. 9 times minus 2 minus 18. We now send everything to the left hand side, and we should know this law in mathematics that states that when any variable or a value crosses the equality sign, the sign changes. Therefore, here is plus 9x, although it is the positive sign is not being represented. When it crosses this to this side, the sign will change from positive to negative. Here is negative 18. When it crosses to the left hand side, the sign changes from negative to positive. Therefore, will be x squared. This 9 will cross to the left hand side, will be negative 9x. This negative 18 will cross to the left hand side. The sign will automatically change to positive 18, which is equal to 0. We now say that this is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation. Now, for us to solve this quadratic equation looking for the value of x, we take the quotient of x squared we consider as a. What is the quotient of x squared? 1. The quotient of x we consider as b. b is equals to minus 9. And this last constant we consider as c is equals to 18. Now we take the sum and product. Let's S represent sum and P represent product. Now we look for two values that when we add, you give negative 9. Therefore, this sum will be negative 9. B and sum is same. Product will be 18. We are now going to look for two values that when we add, it will give us negative 9. And we multiply, it will give us 18. What are those two values? Sum will be equal to, those two values are minus 6 and minus 3 will give minus 9. Their product, minus 6 times minus 3 will automatically give 18. We now take these values and substitute it here. Therefore, this equation can be written as x squared minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. Now we see that this equation and this one is same. Now we are going to factorize by grouping. Factorize by grouping. Put this bracket. Put this bracket. Here we see that x is common throughout. We factor out x here. What will remain this bracket? If you take x squared divided by x, it will give you x minus. If you factor out x from negative 6x. Negative 6 will remain in the bracket, inside the bracket. Here we have to factor out plus sign in the middle. Here we have to factor out negative. We have to factor out negative 3. When we factor out negative 3, what will remain in the bracket will be x. We'll factor out negative 3 from 18 will be, what will remain in the bracket will be 18 divided by negative 3 will be negative 6. Consider when you expand this, you give back this equation to you, which is equal to 0. We now see that x minus 6 and x minus 6, they are equal. Since they are equal, they are factors. They can be factor out. From this, we factor out x minus 6. If you factor out x minus 6, what will remain here will be x. When we remove x minus 6 here, what will remain here will be minus 3, which is equal to 0. Since x minus 6 and x minus 6 times x minus 3 is equal to 0, we take x minus 6 to solve this equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. To look for the value of x, we send this 6 to the other side, to the right hand side, which x will be equal to, if this 6 if this negative 6 crosses to the right hand side, obviously the sign will change from negative to positive. Here will be positive 6, and here x, this negative 3 will cross to the right hand side, will be positive 3. Positive. These are the values. These are the values of x. X can either be 6 or x equals to 3. For this equation, these are the two values of x. Guys, please, may you like, share and subscribe into my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.